Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Minute. If you notice your turn signal is blinking fast like this, one of your turn signals is most likely out of commission. I switched the hazard lights on, and for me it's the one over here. So let's go ahead and get that bulb replaced. Let's pop the trunk open and take inventory of the tools we need for this job. A Phillips head screwdriver, a wrench with a 10mm socket, pry tool or flathead, and of course, these replacement bulbs. I'll leave a link to all of this in the description below. We do not need to remove any trim pieces for this job. Everything can be done from the outside. We'll start by prying these two bolt covers off using a flathead or pry tool. We'll then back these bolts off using a 10mm socket. Go ahead and pull the entire unit outward. You might need to wiggle it around a little if it's seated firmly in place. It's held in place by two tabs. Since I'm here, I figured I might as well clean it up a bit. Flipping this around, you'll notice two wiring harnesses. One goes to the tail light, while the other is the turn signal that needs replacing. Let's pop this out by rotating it counterclockwise, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Taking a closer look at the bulb, it has definitely seen better days. Looks like the sun's literally baked the amber coating off the glass. Let's remove the bulb by rotating it counterclockwise and pulling it straight out. The bulb has 3 dimples on it to assist with alignment during reinstallation. With the new bulb in place, let me test out the turn signal to make sure it's working before reassembling everything. Now that we've got that going, let's attach the housing back into place and reinstall the 10mm bolts. I'm tightening the bolts down by hand before snugging them down with the wrench. A quarter turn at the end for extra insurance. Lastly, pop the covers back on and you are good to go. Be sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, take care and drive safe, y'all. Peace.